What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub, and today we're doing a nice simple chorizo and egg breakfast. Just real simple. Well, it's dinner time, but you know, we're gonna do it for breakfast today. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice easy cook, and it's gonna be a good one. All right, so we got 8 eggs. We got some yellow, red, and green bell pepper, some 2 Serranos that I diced up, and an onion. That's like half of a sweet onion. We got some pork chorizo here. And we got some pre-cut up shredded hash browns. It's the cheap way to do it. It's how we like it. So we're gonna get this thing turned on and get it cooking. All right, so we've got the griddle all warmed up. Let's throw some oil on here. Put it around. It's really hot out today, so I'm trying to get this done fast. Got it nice and hot. Rolling with about 440. Let's get this chorizo on first. Gonna use this whole tube. Yeah, that looks appetizing, I know. All right, here we go. Let's get this on. Oops. Get it cut up. All right, I'm gonna get these hash browns going right here. All right. Throw some salt and pepper on these. All right, just let them go for a minute. I'm gonna turn the heat down a little bit. Let's go like more of a medium. All right, there we go. All right, we're just gonna let this sit for a hot second and we'll check on it. All right, so the chorizo's just about done. Let's give this a flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Get a nice crust up on there. Ooh, looking good. All right. Keep that stuff right how it is. All right. Oh yeah. Yep, that's just about done. Gonna get ready to, I'm gonna throw a little more salt and pepper on these. All right, the veggies are just about ready to go on. We can throw this out. Yeah, this stuff's done. All right, let's get that off. I'm gonna just take it off. I'm gonna put it on a plate with a paper towel. Get some of that grease off because it's very, very greasy. Yep. Yep, do it just like that. And now I'm gonna throw a little more oil down. Get these veggies going. All right. Always get them seeds. All right. Get that turned up. Ooh, I can smell them Serano peppers. Mix up these onions a little bit. I just cut them in chunks, trying to hurry up. Cut them up. All right. There we mix up them onions. All right, we're just gonna let that sit for a hot second, and we'll bring you right back. All right, so the veggies are done. The hash browns are just about done. I'm gonna move these back in here. We're gonna throw the chorizo in. Don't want to lose the whole thing. There we go. Yeah, look at all that. That's a lot of grease. All right, let's mix this all together. Oh man, I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling right now. And let that cook up for a hot second. Actually, let's kind of do a little bit of a little horseshoe type deal. Little chevron. All right, I'm gonna throw some oil down here. Oh, don't burn it. A little bit of oil for these eggs. There we go. We got a lot of eggs here, so. I got my grill maybe a little too hot. It's probably around 400 degrees. I like to cook my eggs more around like 300, but stuff heated up pretty quick. Just keep it moving. Get that back in here. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Man, this is looking good. All right, let's get it all mixed up nice and good. All right, there we go. Yeah, that's looking good. I'm gonna turn this burner off, that one off. And let's throw these tomatoes on for Father. And we're gonna be done in like 20 seconds. All right, keep this going. Man, there's so many good smells going on right now. Chop it up. All right, eggs are done. Let's mix these guys up real quick. These are just about done too. All right, there we go. Let's work on these. Ooh, look at that. Yes. All right, we're good. I'm gonna plate some of this stuff up and bring you guys in and show you what I'm looking at. All right, guys, you saw what I'm dealing with here. Let's dive in and take a bite of this. Got some chorizo. You know what? Okay, let's cut that. Got some chorizo, some onion, some green pepper, some jalapeno or serrano. The strong flavor from that chorizo is amazing. Let's get some of these hashes. Done right. And the key, just leave them on there and let them just do their thing. You ain't got to mess with them. Put them on initially, mix them up a little bit, put some salt and pepper. Just let them sit, put whatever seasoning you want, but it doesn't take much to do some hash browns, especially on this. Perfect. I'm gonna get in and eat my dinner. It's like 100 degrees out here. So, yeah, I appreciate you coming along. Like and subscribe. Smash that like button. Let me know if there's anything you want me to cook. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thank you.